and so forth. Hi. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Hello. Hi. Hello. Oh, hello then. All right. So my name is Aiden. I use they, them, she, her pronouns. If you're new to the stream, you ain't missed much this year. This is like my second stream of the whole year. I didn't change the category or title when I started the stream. I thought I did, and then I didn't. And it just said like first Aiden stream of 226, and I was like, that's not true.
This makes me feel like a rat.
Hi, Julia. Hi. Speaking of streaming and doing things that I thought I did, but I didn't. I'm gonna go in my voice chat here. Let's see if people want to join. And if they don't, it's whatever. Hi. I'm okay. I'm tired as fuck. I woke up, like, I went to sleep really early because I was fucking about to pass the fuck out on the couch. And then I woke up at like 4 a.m. or like 4:30, somewhere between like 4 and 5 a.m. and then just didn't go back to sleep. And then when I finally did, I had to pee, and it was like 7 a.m. and Kay's alarm goes off like shortly after that. So I was like, I'm just gonna stay awake. There's no point. So I decided I'm just gonna be awake. So I played Balatro for like 2 hours and didn't take a nap or anything, and now here we are. Hi, John. I'm playing. You all voted. You all know what's up because you all voted. Let me get it on the screen. You all know what's going on because you fucking voted for it. It's Majora's Mask. Ah! I didn't mean to do that. I also watched for like 2 hours. Twins. We're both addicted to roguelikes. Oh my god. Did you win? Did you have epic dubskis in Balatro? One of my favorite decks. I think if I had to pick a favorite deck, it'd probably be Checker deck. Not that it's the most fun to play, but that like, if I'm like, oh, I gotta win. This is a run. This is a run where I gotta like win this shit. I'm not going for anything extra. I'm doing Checker deck. Yeah, Julia's famously not addicted to roguelikes. You're playing Closure. I'm glad you enjoyed Closure. I wasn't there for when you beat it. I was getting my ass beat at work. Actually, here I've been trying to get back slightly into the vibe of I feel like at one point this channel had more of a vibe of you all your all's like aunts and uncles dropped you off here, or your like parents dropped you off here and they're like, hey, here, Auntie Aiden's gonna play some video games with you. And you all come down to this big, massive, fucking subliminal couch. And I'm like, oh, hey, what's up? I was about to play Majora's Mask. You gonna watch? And I think to do that, I need to turn off this Bangers playlist. Like, we all like the Bangers playlist, but I think if you walk in the room, you're not gonna hear me jam into Marvel's Capcom 2 soundtrack. You're gonna hear this. Right? Closure was neat. Very cool puzzle gimmick. I'm glad you recommended it. It's my favorite one. It's like my favorite puzzle game. It's my favorite puzzle game that's like actually a puzzle game, if that makes sense. I still haven't streamed it. I've been talking about streaming it for a long time. I have it on PS3, which I guess I can remedy. It's like, what, a $5 game now? I think Tyler Glale put it up for like $5 after the fact or some shit. Like, it's pretty cheap. It originally was a browser game for a little bit, I think. I think the original version was like a browser puzzle game that was like half the length or something. I might be thinking of something else that Tyler Glale worked on. I don't know if you would like The End Is Nigh as much. I only played like half hour of that. But The End Is Nigh is Tyler Glale from Closure, and what's his name? Ed McMullen from Super Meat Boy. And they made that. I already have a copy of Closure? Oh, I guess I bought Closure again at some point. That's fine. That makes it potentially easier to stream. I might do that. I might actually do that at some point. I know when chat regulars hear the thought of me playing a puzzle game, you're all like, but like, I don't know, I might. Anyway, Stanley Parable coming soon. I made a new text font, and by made, I mean I downloaded a fan-made Zelda font that people use for everything. It looks like this. That's about it. That's all I got. I'm terrified to get back into this fucking game. I'm gonna make such an ass of myself. So, okay, for those who haven't been watching, who hasn't been following along, this is Majora's Mask part 4? 4. This is Majora's Mask part 4. So reason for that. We played it 4 times. So here's the real reason for that. So we started playing it last year, like late last year, because I got a copy of it over the last summer, I think, or somewhere around there, and because we sold a bunch of shit to this local game place, and we had like more money than we thought left over. So I was like, let's get something frivolous. Let's just get something frivolous and stupid we don't need. Because like the amount of money that we're gonna get back on it is negligible in comparison. So Kay got us a physical copy of Yakuza 0 for the shelf because it's one of our like favorite games. I love that game. And I got the like holographic super fancy copy of Majora's Mask because it was there, and I was like, normally under any other circumstances I wouldn't spend this much money on anything with the Zelda logo on it, but like damn, The End Is Nigh sure looks like it was made by Meat Boy, man. Like, so on the surface it looks like a Meat Boy, but it's like screen based. It's not like a level select or like go do the impossible puzzle. Its objectives are closer to Closure. If that makes any sense at all. Which I think is cool. I like how it's set up. I just didn't play that much of it. I just got distracted by school, I think, when I was first playing it, and just never picked it back up. And I mean, I'm always down for requests and shit these days. I think that's in the list of shit that is on my thingy-majig. What's it called? My rank 1 profile. So if anybody wants to recommend me play it, you can. Does a bit. I think it looks neat and also a bit tricky on the old jumps. Yeah, it is, but like, and normally I fucking hate that, but like, it feels like it is, but it has a point, and I'm not sure what that point is. I didn't get far enough to figure it out. It might just be hard. It might just be bitchy. I'm not sure. Kay and I have also rearranged our whole fucking apartment, by the way. So now the 64 is closer. So playing old ass games is more comfortable for me. You will notice very little difference, but I'm having a ball. Oh yeah, so Majora's Mask. So we played it a few sessions. I played the first session because, okay, so notoriously I'm like a Zelda hater, right? I try to like Zelda so fucking much, and every time I just fall flat on my face and I'm like, I hate this. This makes me feel like the biggest idiot on the planet. I can't handle it. Even true of my favorite Zelda, which is Link to the Past, which I tried a vanilla playthrough off stream recently and rage quit. I couldn't handle it. So we started playing this for a lark. I was like, this is the weird one, right? This is one of the most contentious, like, strange ass games in the series. So I figured maybe this will be the one. And so I played it, and I was like, I don't hate this. Granted, Satellite, resident Zelda expert, was in voice chat, so it was a little easier to start out, because some of the starting shit, even he admitted, is a little obtuse, which I agree with. I don't think it's like impossibly stupid, but like it's weird. It's weird. But then I started realizing what I had hoped for was kind of true, that a lot of the Zelda-isms, when presented in a way where it's mostly person says, hey, oh, this thing, I long for this thing, I wish someone would do this thing, but you have like a time restraint. Once those things of this feels like a fetch quest in a Zelda game to get the super duper stone, to get the 7 other super duper stones, and you turn that into an Undertale-ism instead, then it clicks in my brain, and I can like kind of formulate a way around the challenges presented. The big challenges for Sanrio fans. Then part 3 came, which was the one after we beat the Forest Temple. Or I guess the Swamp Temple would technically be. And we got to like the Ice World a little bit. It took me forever to get there. And then I did that for like 3.5, 4 hours. And then the power went out. In real life. Just long enough for the VOD recording to not save. And for everything I did in Majora's Mask to not save. And for those of you who, you know, you all know how this game's save system works. It's a time loop game. So if you don't do a thing and then like go back to the time loop manually with the thing it gives you at the beginning of the game, you just don't save. Your progress is just gone. So my progress from last stream is just gone. And I regret to inform you all, I've been too tired and drawn thin with Alia Crag and Lexi Karma production and my shit-ass job to pick up this game and do the shit we already did. The good news is, hopefully I'm going to remember a bunch of the shit we did and it won't take as long. I remember how to get to the Ice World at least. That was, I think, the big hang up for the first like hour, was trying to figure out the arrow thing. But now I know that one, so we're good. Now I'm gonna fuck up more. Don't worry. I'm gonna fuck up way more. But at least we like figured it out once, so I can figure it out again probably. Yeah. Do I have the crop on the game correct? Looks like I do, as far as I can tell. Also, things to look forward to, speaking of, before we get into this. Alia Crag is coming this year. I will not say when, because I will doom myself if I put out a month release date or anything like that. So just know that it's still in the works, like I've been saying it has been for an hour and a half. That's my tabletop RPG show. It's going to release on YouTube. So if you're not already following me on YouTube, go find Random Rings channel on YouTube. I don't think I have a link, do I? I don't. Let's see how out of date this is. No, that's good enough. It's got my stream archive and it's got the Random Rings channel. If you go to Random Rings channel, go to the Random Rings channel link. That's the one you want. That's where I'm going to be releasing Alia Crag this year. I'm not going to say like an ETA or what's going on with it. I'm just going to say stay tuned. Yeah, whatever, man. So that's going down. I'm very excited about that. It's my tabletop RPG show. It's a fantasy tabletop RPG show, starring my wife, stream regular Zach Zickle, and our good friends Nikki Valentine and Pidge. It's a good time. I'm very excited about it. It's a bunch of freaks that go around the world and do freak shit and are accidentally like drawn in to be the heroes of the day. They get into some real shenanigans, those freaks. Dorky World 4, I think will be coming in March. Dorky World is a big async multi-world randomizer we do for the community. If you join the Discord, which I don't think is in that fucking big bouquet of links. If you join the Dork Congregation, you can join that too. You don't need voice permission to join. You don't need to like be super regular and around here all the time. If you want to join a fucking async multi-world randomizer with us, and you're down to do that, then you should do that. No pressure or nothing. Last year we had people not even fucking like finish games, and it's no sweat at all. It's just a chill time. We all play a big archipelago randomizer. Dorky World 4's gimmick this year for myself, I'll be playing 10 games, and they're all goals I haven't done before. So some of them are repeat games. I'll be doing Sonic Adventure 2, A Short Hike, Pokemon Leaf Green, and Pokemon Emerald, but they'll all be different goals from what they've been in the past multi-world randomizers I've done. I'll also be playing 6 new games that you all haven't seen me stream the Archipelago randomizer for specifically, I should say. Autopelago, Sly Cooper 1, Spyro 3, Balatro. Other one I can't think of. And newly announced Kirby Air Ride I will be doing. Thanks, Julia. Yeah, like I said, anybody who wants to join, even if it's your first multi-world ever, honestly, I can think of few better setups. Getting involved with like an archipelago Discord, I mean, I don't know what else I would pin it with. This is a Zelda game, so we're not doing like Mario Dumpy or anything. So I think that's fine. I think that's utilitarian. I think it's very useful. To have that pinned. And we can't do Zelda Dumpy because these characters are children. Join our big multi-world randomizer. We're all normal, sane people that aren't fucked up. Anyway, yeah, that's what's going on with Dorky World. That's gonna be probably in March, and probably March, like it says pinned there. Probably March. Depending on like, yeah, Ocarina of Time Adult Link really, yeah. How old is Grown Up Link? 20? He's still in like very early twink years, right? I know he has a canonical age. And this is like kind of sort of the same Link, but not. But also the Hyrule Historia is fake. I think he's like 19 or 20. I don't remember. I don't recall. People keep pinging me. Oh, okay. Don't they refer to him in the game as Adult Link? I thought he was like 21. He's 16? Wait, so you're playing as a 9-year-old that whole time? What? Huh? and huh? Also, what? Anyway, we don't have to dwell on that. Let's continue. This is Majora's Mask, my probably new favorite Zelda game, which is a lot. Welcome to the quest of bitch. It's the dawn of the first day, bitch. Bitch, it's the dawn of the first day. Welcome to South Cocktown. The quickest way to the mountains is through North Gate. Okay, bitch. Ah! Is that even true? All right, I don't remember any of the controls. Oh yeah, you start close to the north actually. So yeah, it would be roughly that. Hey, Jingle. So I have no money. Because it's all in the bank. Actually, isn't the map's like 50? I should probably go get 50 monies. I remember where that is, believe it or not. Like, I think the map is actually intuitive. I think this game, looking left, looking right. Hey, if there's any big Zelda fans in chat, feel free to help me out, by the way. Like, don't be annoying about it, I guess, but feel free to give advice and shit. This is a big... Don't say anything you wouldn't say to your sister on the couch. But like you can help as well if you know the game. As such, it's gonna be a rough stream. I'm new to this, so make sure to get some snacks real quick and some water before I get into the thick of it, right? Okay, waiting for them to leave. Waiting for them to leave. Waiting for them to leave. Chat, I think this game might be better than Ocarina of Time by leaps and bounds. I think people give this game way too much shit for being an asset flip. I think it might just be a good game. Chat? Chat, I think Ocarina of Time fans are wrong. Looks to make sure my wife isn't in chat. Chat, I think Ocarina of Time fans are wrong. Chat, don't tell my wife. Oh, this was the wrong way. I made this mistake last time. Oh wait, no, it's not. Yeah, it is. Oh fuck. Wait, no. Oh, well, wait. I know what to do. Oh, we don't have any arrows. Why do we not have any arrows? Why don't we have any arrows? Is that a thing I can buy? I'll probably find one in the fucking grass. Probably go in the fucking weeds. We'll find an arrow, some poor. See? See? I'm a master. I'm not a master. I'm gonna like probably die to something soon. I think I died last stream. To something. Of what I don't remember. Give me that shit. You know what's really fucked up too is that if I do end up beating this game and liking it, I'm a randomizer fan. I like randomizers. I play randomizers on the streams. You know what that means, don't you? You know what fucked up bullshit that means, right? Oh, right, that's the problem with this. It's not the fact that you have to shoot the uvula with an arrow. It's that you have to do it twice. And that opens up the path, right? That doesn't open up the path. How do you open up the path? Oh, you don't have to open up the path. Fuck me. That's what tripped me up last time. I keep thinking there's like a bridge you gotta open up. I don't know why. Says the guy. Oh, the crop on this is definitely not correct. Hold on. Oh, hold up. Oh, that looks foul. What the fuck was I doing? What game were we playing that this aspect ratio was okay? Hold on. No! Alt. There we go. The Reno gets so fucked up. I've never seen it, but I'm sure it gets crazy. I think, like... Yeah, I get the impression that, like, Ship of Harkinian and shit like that is for, like, perverts. It's for, like, Zelda perverts. It's for Zelda perverts affectionate. An okay and fine and awesome thing to be. But a shred of DNA I was not given. I've seen a few people do it. Actually, Fixie Bombay just did it recently, I think. Oh, wait, no, it wasn't Shipper Arcanian. It was just a randomizer of this, and it seemed cursed as fuck. What I might do, if it comes to that, and this is way down the road if this happens, what I might do. So with Sonic Adventure 2, I've never actually streamed like what is considered like the baseline randomizer. I've only ever streamed Sonic Adventure 2 Archipelago because I love it, even if I'm doing it by myself. If I end up doing something like that with Majora, in all honesty, I might just like, oh fuck! You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to do the song of Slow Down. I forgot to do the song of Slow. It is not that one. It is down A, right down A, right. Or fuck it. If I end up liking it enough and think I can randomize it and not like just fuck up and slow everybody down, like the Song of Time, inverted Song of Time, I might just fucking I might just do in Dorky World 5. I might just put it on some baby settings and throw it in Dorky World 5. But Dorky World 5 is also a ways off. I might try to do 2 Dorky Worlds this year. One for the people that are like, yeah, let's do it earlier in the year, because I can't do it later in the year. And one for the people that are like, oh, I can't do it later in the year or earlier in the year. Let's do it later in the year because I couldn't do it earlier in the year. That's Goron shit. I need Goron stuff to do Goron shit, I think. Or is this arrows as well? It's not arrows as well. What do I do here? I don't remember. I only forgot. I only forgot is the thing. There's something I must do. Oh, it's bombs, isn't it? It's bombs, ain't it? I got a bombs. Or no, I can't hold bombs yet. I don't have the gauntlets or whatever, do I? You need like bomb glove, right? You remember when I said this was gonna go smooth because I remember what happened from last time? I lied. I don't remember what happened from last time. I just remember fucking up the beginning really bit. So like, at the very least, this won't take 5 million years because I didn't do the fuck up I did last time. So like, you're welcome. So like, I'm great. So like, I'm awesome. So like, actually, I'm badass. So excuse me. Excuse me while I fuck this up. Excuse me while I continue to be nice with it. Oh, other thing I was going to talk about that you should be excited for. Reject Eject is coming May 6th. May 6th, 2026. You can listen to Reject Eject. You can listen to a bunch of songs that I've been sitting on. That were going to be on the other albums, and then I'm not being. It's pretty cool. It's pretty epic. Okay. So stands to reason then. Bomb guy is, I think, on the same alley as Bank. Yeah, I know. You hear Link's neck fucking snap. That's Swordsman School. I don't want to be in here. No fucking thank you, actually. There's bomb guy somewhere, damn it. That's probably bomb guy. Hey, bomb guy. Hi. Why is he so cunty like that? He just does this shit. We're expecting to get our larger bomb bag back in stock pretty soon. But now I think about it, it's already late. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh. Did you come to buy a powder keg? It's just between us, but I have a huge bomb that the shop doesn't even carry. Oh, my product is so heavy, I don't think you can carry it. I'm sorry I even brought it up. Wait, what do I fucking do? It's already late. The guy. Did I get the guy? You know, the guy. Chat the guy. There's a man living in a man in Lego City. There's a guy that comes through here at some point and fucks with Grandma. Well, Grandma wasn't even here. So I don't even fucking know. I might watch you put my fucking balloon in it. Ooh. I have 5 health now. That's kind of fucking poggers. I don't know when Grandma shows up. What the fuck did I do last time? I got bombs, right? I recall getting bombs, because bombs is how you do the big snow. But somebody's got the big bomb bag. Is that when I need to do bombs? Oh yeah, you and your fucking bags and your wife or whatever the fuck is your deal. Yeah, whatever. Okay. I'm kind of stumped. Okay, I don't want to disrupt that guy's schedule. Yeah, I don't remember what the fuck to do. Time to look it up. Time to look it up. I don't know what to look up, really, but it's time to look it up. It's time to look it up. It's time to look it up. Time to look it up. Time to look it up. It's time to look it up. I'm gonna go to the walkthrough, go to the game facts. I don't need any personal attacks for my own memory and my long COVID symptoms. I'm gonna fuck up the fucking system. Majora's Mask, what is it? Mountain World? Ice Time? Mountainville? If I recall, around midnight on night 1, there's an event in north part of Clocktown that allows you to unlock the big bag. Okay, so I didn't dream that. So last time I must have just fucked around for so long to pass the time in between to like do something while waiting for Big Bomb Bag. Oh. Well, why didn't he sell me the bomb bag then? I kinda need it. I kinda need it. Why didn't he sell it to me? I'm a responsible 9-year-old. I'm a responsible 9-year-old child. Avoiding personal attack. I'm being personally attacked by myself. Sell me the fucking shit, bitch. Welcome. Oh, I just forgot how the fucking game works. It's fine. You can tell I don't play these games. Still embarrassing though, because I grew up with Ocarina of Time, so I should know how the fucking shop works, but, you know, it's okay. I have 0 bombs. It comes with 20 bombs. I think I got the big bomb bag last time, but like, yeah, you don't... I'm not gonna be using it on everything. Right? Like, it'd be nice to have. I can get it. But like, waiting till midnight when I could just like do the fucking dungeon? Right? Like, I don't need it. And feel free to fucking like fling this in my face in like an hour from now. When I'm like, I don't have enough bombs. 20 isn't enough bombs. What were they thinking? Bomb seller. I need your strongest bombs. I watched that again recently. It's truly enjoyable. It's truly enjoyable, that video that everybody likes. It's full of whimsy. I've got bombs if you've got the rubies. Bomb seller! I'm telling you, I'm going into the mountain. And I require your strongest bombs. Ropes? Lamp oil? Bomb seller. Enough of your games. I'm going into battle. Huh? Yeah, that did a trick. Would you? I saw a thing on YouTube, but I didn't actually watch it. You all know how it is. Mountain Village. That's the name of this fucking place. And really, like, shame on me for not thinking that that's what it would be called, given what it is. Gorons should be able to break the snow boulders easily. Elves can fuck off! Elves can get the fuck out of my town! Here's Mountain Village, the place I don't want you to go if you got pointy little stupid ears. That's what I don't want to see. All right, let's see if I remember any of this shit. Welcome to Snowdin. That's Sans. See, it's funny because Undertale has the stage called Snowdin, and it's the place that you go see Sans Undertale. And Sans and Papyrus have become kind of like a universal like fodder for memes across the past like decade. So referencing them in itself is the joke, and that's what's so funny about it. So these two are fucking, right? According to Miyamoto, this character's fucking 7. The big guy in the mask is actually fetal. Miyamoto, you might be, Miyamoto, we gotta talk about some things. All right, so. You're so loud! All right, now that I've taken out like half my health for no reason, let's go progress perhaps. Let's see. Oh, hang on. Let's leave a memory on this guy. Or whatever the fuck he says. Okay, so now I can go there. I'm fucking up that owl. That's what separates the owl, the owl boy from the owl man. Let's see. Gorons who can't swim shouldn't play near here. Can I do this now? Like, I don't think I need, do I need Lens of Truth to do this? Oh, well, I mean, like, I can swim, is the thing. Is there anything hindering me from doing this now? Oh, I guess you don't have the information of, like, the guy. You probably have to go into town. Yeah, I think you have to go into town first. It's one of those. I think you have to find the Ghost Man before you climb that one up? I thought that's where the Ghost Man was. Oh no, the Ghost Man is in town. No! No! What is it? What do you got, bitch? Not even once. The thought of it sickens me. Warning. Close to the general public and those who cannot perform the Goron jump. Hylians suck. Definitely chill out on the info when we've got you caught backed up, but if my real life sister playing this, if you realize this was playing this and wiping away tears, being like, the power went out and I lost everything. It has to be my Meg. It has to be my Meg. It doesn't be my Meg. It looks to be Pong back and my memory doesn't work. Take the controller from me. I don't know what to do. Here, let's go back down the mountain here. Clearly I've gone down the wrong end of the mountain if I am not up in Mountain Village. Okay, so this is Mountain Village. What the fuck? Where the hell did I go then? I came in from that way, I think. Yeah, because, no, actually, oh, no, this is the way. Woman with no sense of direction and a horrible memory plays Zelda live on Twitch. Truly, that's just what I should have advertised it as, honestly. I should have just laid full into the fucking truth of what it was. Like, not even be self-deprecating about it. Just be like, oh, hey, those things that make Zelda, like, easy for people, I don't got those. So, if you want to see something like that happen, here's the place to go. What do you want, tattle? Blah. La la. It's a white wolfos. Lure it in and watch its movements. It doesn't like its tail to be touched. Yeah, me either, actually, when I think about it. I need hot water to do that. Bombs don't do that. Hot water does that. Chat, have you ever bombed an ice, like a big frozen patch? Have you ever spent the night in a cemetery? Oh. Okay, it's like right the fuck there, right? It's like right the fuck there, I believe. Door already open, hurry your ass up. I have never set off a single bomb, but the way current events... If this baby doesn't shut the fuck up. This is the stream where we finally get the channel removed. This is fun, right? This is fun. This is fun. This is a fun, chill environment. the player being annoyed with the fucking screaming child and then starts to mock the screaming child with a pseudo-realistic sound of also a screaming child. This is what does it, right? This works for people. People like this. My wife is texting me. Normally I'm pretty good at announcing, hang on, I'm doing nothing because I'm being talked to. Somebody has hit A next to my dialogue box and I need to do something about it. But for today I've not been doing that. Why is Link immune to the screams of children? Does it have something to do with Fierce Deity Link? Is it because Link has listened to so much Linkin Park that he does not care anymore? Okay, so this goes... So that way goes up. So we've been in there. This goes to... Oh, this just goes out, I think. Ah, fuck. I wish I could remember things. God, it'd be so cool if I could remember things. Because we don't want the Mask of Truth either is the thing. I thought we needed the Eye of Truth to do shit. Oh, hold up. Hold up, we gotta do this bullshit again. That's right. Hoot, we meet again, fairy child. Have my stone statues been of help? Well, it seems you may have the strength to change the fate of this land as I had expected. But the road ahead is even more challenging. Many trials await you. Please watch over these Gorons around you. The land is doomed to be smothered in snow and ice. It will become a land where no living thing can survive. Without courage and determination, you surely will collapse from the extreme conditions. But if that courage and determination burns bright within you, then that's another story. Will you proceed? Well, when you put it like that, oh, fucking save the world. Use your child powers of determination to save the world, or all these people are going to fucking die. If you don't do something about this, all these people are going to fucking die. I can't do anything about it because I'm an owl, but you, a 9-year-old child, can do it. Unless you're feeling this, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Ooh, boy, howdy. I cannot be fucked with. I cannot be fucked with. See, it's the puzzles I have a fucking issue with. I can do the platforms. I can do the fucking platforms. What if I get all this shit first? What's attacking me? Who's around? Who's around me? Who's surrounding my fucking presence? What? You don't even know about the Skulltula? It's protected by a hard shell, but its stomach is soft. Well, why don't you eat my ass? Well, why don't you shut the fuck up, actually? Oh, that's a boog. Can you trap the bug in a bottle? Oh, look at me. You caught bug. Yeah. Alright, let's see if I remember how to do this shit. Alright, I guess I'll put my bug away. Oh, that just helps me get back, I think. Did we determine? Is there something in here that I should be grabbing? Did we determine? I don't recall. Oh, yeah. I'm trying to bait it. Oh, your mother. Oh, your fucking mom. I'll take that. That's fine. I can fucking take that. Isn't there another one? No, I guess not. The game's like, the lens of truth takes up resources, so make sure not to use it all in one place. And I'm like, look, I can see everything, and it's purple instead. Oh, whatever. Oh, I can't find you. Bitch, talk to me. Oh. Oh, you fucking ass. I want you to solve my problems, but first you must chase me. Ho 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 ho. But first you have to chase me. I'm a silly little guy. You must chase me. Fucking asshole. You have to catch me first. I hate this shit. Why are there like 17 things like this in the game? Oh! Nah, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Pain takes up a lot of your mental bandwidth, I suppose. But also just like, hey, I'm gonna go to this fucking place. Like, there's follow me, and then there's you better catch up. You better catch up, buddy. Like, fuck you. Like, there's wolves and shit out here. I'm 9. Like, if this were a little, like, sprite child, right? It's just like, I died 75 years ago. You better chase me so you can find my treasure. Like, it'd be a different story. But this is like a 40-year-old man. Just like, you'll have to catch me first. Tee hee hee hee. I call shenanigans. I think this guy's an asshole. I don't care about his fucking troll backstory. I don't give a fuck. Oh, I died and my family misses me. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, I should have known that wasn't gonna happen. Oh, people thought I ran away, but I actually died. My backstory is so tragic. Whatever, brother. Bro doesn't even know what a fucking tax is. Where'd it go? Oh, it circulates. I thought you pushed it. Thought that was the thing. No, it like orbits. You gotta wait for it to come back around. Hi, Link. Hi. Hello. And then you gotta wait for it to come back around. It takes almost as long as watching an actual fucking planet orbit. Hey, maybe this game sucks, actually. Hey, maybe this game I was gassing up earlier is actually ass. Maybe this game sucks. Wiener. That is to say, it's not very good. Path on the other side looks easier, but I'm not sure. Does it matter? Do they have an easy mode path? For me, no. I think this is the path I took last time. Why would they make it like there's two of them, but the one is like a fucking Matrix jump to get to? What were the game you thinking? Probably. Yeah, do we just like put like a bridge here? No, we should probably make them do some hops so they stay engaged in this part. Because if it's all just walking, they're probably gonna get discouraged to keep going forward with this part if they got frustrated with something else. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Make one of the paths look good, but it's actually not. Make the other path bad, and then make the ladders invincible. Make them invisible so they can't see anything. And if they go in the wrong one, they drop down 50 feet. Yeah, that's just Miyamoto. I want the kids to remember what my childhood was like. Yeah, it's supposed to be like a big adventure in your backyard, right? Oh. They haven't been to my backyard. I think it's this way. It's not this way. Somewhere Miyamoto cackles. Somewhere Miyamoto gets a little horny. And then this is the right way. Look at me. Look at me. I'm goated. Oh, so if you just go up there and don't have any magic, you're just fucked. I don't know if I made that observation last time. If I did, I've completely forgotten. Oh, you know what? We have to release our little bug. So we're gonna need that shit. Don't eat the bug. There you go. Saw some little snowballs that might have magic in them. Oh, so it's basically just a bush. Yeah, okay. Oh, hold on. The little prince needs the fucking big telescope to be able to talk to you. Oh! See, he's a fucking Nepo baby, too. I don't feel bad for this guy at all. I was a round warrior and veteran. I was a veteran, so what I did is fine. As I'm now dead. LOL. LOL. I was fine until I did that thing that everyone warned me not to do. Oh. Oh. I went to the mountain. I went to Snowhead by myself. I went to Snowhead by myself, and then I died. That's what I think. That's what I think, you fucking idiot. It had been wreaking havoc on Goron villages in the blizzard, and Snowhead blew me. And then I died. How infuriating. As I am, I can only watch as Goron village is slowly buried in ice. I may have died, but I cannot rest. Yeah, because it's all your fault, dickhead. This is how spirit magic works in fantasy setting. You fucked over a lot of people. You should be glad you're not like a cursed Poe. The fact that you resemble yourself at all is like actually kind of amazing. Like God must have really liked you. When I die, they just branch the timelines off and I have to go suffer twice. Wake me up inside. Oh yeah, I do have a thing for that. So this little ditty I like called Song of Healing. I like to put a little English on the beginning. This is supposed to be such a dramatic fucking moment. Where we left off on the power decided, fuck you, actually. No, I did stuff with the, no, I was fucking with the hot water, the spring water that shows up after. And then the power went out. And then I came because Snowhead blew me. It said, "Welcome, traveler. I'm called Snowhead, but it's a joke name. There's actually plenty of head for you here, sire." We split the world in two, and one half is still asking us to save them. So we put them in the kitchen sink and turned the water on. Gods of Hyrule. Good to know that they did that. Welcome in. I'm not familiar with the lore, so I'm just assuming that that's 100% accurate in what happened. The deeds I accomplished while living are carved on my grave. You should read it. What a thing to say. Please heal me. I'm so sad and dead. You see a Wind Waker? Oh, Wind Waker, that's the sink. That's the kitchen sink. That's what all the ocean is. You got the Goron mask. Now you can spin dash. Wear the mask with see you, inhabit the body. They did that. Oh, okay. Then it turns out Zelda's your father, right? I mean, no spoilers, but I'm pretty sure that's exactly what happens. What am I reading? It is written in letters you have never seen before. Oh, right. heavily implied by the game. Hey, if you're a Goron, you can read this shit. Agents are go! The Goron hero Darmani III rests here. In honor of a great hero, this memorial is inscribed with the knowledge of a great hero. Will you read the knowledge imparted by the hero? Wait, is he a hero? Actually, I better read these again. It's been like a month. It's been like a month and a half, I think, since we played this last. Oh, chosen Goron hero, your power to lift objects without effort is mightier than the strength of any other. Let me goon about it upon the ancient tablature. And your heart is strong too, may I mention, as it is filled with compassion that is kinder than any other, making it easier for me to goon. Goron heroes press A and use the control stick so that they may curl up and roll wherever it is that they may need to go. I use just the control stick because my other free hand is too busy lotioning up to goon. If Gorons who possess magic power roll swiftly enough, spikes will emerge from their bodies so that they may mow down enemies. Something emerges from my body, but I'd rather not speak of it here, as my time I'm running out of room because it's not just a scripture, a piece of paper. I decided to carve this all into stone, and frankly, it is making my gooning arm tired. I may have to switch soon. Those TF sequences look unpleasant. Oh, the transform. Yeah. I'm sure there's something in like the game that's like, this is why it's so painful. But like, I'm assuming it's just because he feels the sorrow of like whatever spirit like died. Water is disastrous for Goron heroes, for they sink like stones and are rendered motionless in the deep. Beware. That part's in red because I had to switch hands during that one. The powerful punch that Goron heroes unleash by pressing B is feared by all. For me, it's kink, but for most people, it's actual fear. By repeatedly pressing B, Goron heroes will deal out a barrage of punches. I'll deal out a barrage of something myself, but I digress. After using A to curl up, a Goron will... a Goron can jump with B and land with quaking impact that is so mighty it can flatten enemies. Did I say inflate enemies? No, looking back, I definitely chiseled in the words flatten. That is good. Going back and fixing these, frankly, does take longer than just writing out my thoughts. Oh! You can shimmy. Okay, so A, oh. Whee! Oh, this takes out magic, fuck. I forgot the part where it took out magic, even though I just read that it did that. So wait, I gotta do something. Okay, pull on it, that's what's going on. Yeah! Drink water, okay. Chat, drink water. And then I don't need bombs right away. So water. Don't drink this water. Cup empty. Go get some fucking. Go get a little drink. Go get some water. Go get a little bit of water. don't drink the Gamer Goron path water. Clearly not safe for human consumption. Plus, if that motherfucker that was writing out that script on the fucking thing was writing it, you don't. The heat may be the least of your problems at the end of it all. It is full of colorful minerals. It may be healthier than I once thought. What have I been doing? Holy shit, I thought you were dead. This is actually a good exchange. Really good. I'm making fun of the game because I'm a silly bitch. It's actually good and well written. I'm just fucking corny. Let's get a little bit of... Get in there. There we go. I wish I had a few more bottles. There probably was a place I could have bought some, but that's okay. Actually, I think I looked it up and it said there wasn't, but I don't recall. The healthy minerals? Oh, yeah, I don't know. Tears of the Kingdom. Okay. We're catching up to where the power went out last time I played this. Where this is about to get a lot more frustrating to watch for people who know the game. Okay. Let me read the sign. That's Snowhead. We don't need to go up there yet. Let's go back into town. Okay, so that's the front of the... Yeah. Wait a minute. Can I... or arsenic. It could be any. Your hot spring water cold. Now it's just plain old fuck. I didn't realize it was that fucking small of a window. God damn. Well, time to jump some more. Eat me. I am Link. You wanna up your magic first? Yeah. They don't have a fucking they don't have like a tumbler in here. I think you have to get that like I think you have to get all the masks to get that. I'm pretty sure. I think that's what you get. Hey, what if I was goated actually? What if I was goated? What if I didn't need it? Okay, I think I made this mistake before. Or did I? Hold on. Yeah, it's up this way. And then it's left. Magic who? I was like, that's a really good suggestion. That's gonna take me longer than I want to tolerate. Have fun! Have fun cooking up your hat, Julia! Here we go! Hyrule needs thermos. Yeah, they need a little thermos. These Gorons are dying because they don't have any soup. They got nothing to keep their hot soup in. How the fuck are they supposed to do anything about it? Oh, wait. No, if I do this, I'll drown. Hold on. What's up, Danger? You gotta be fucking... Okay, Alright. And then I turn into a Goron. Then I start blasting. And I peeled the fuck out. An uninsulated bottle of spring water. Yeah, he's got this. It's fine. So it's... Shut the fuck up. It's advantageous to do this then. Come on. Please tell me that was close enough. I will lose my fucking mind if that wasn't close enough to count. Ugh. The wolf was like, no! No! God, I'm ass at the combat that I know. What was that, Tattle? What was that, Tattle? You had something to say? What do you got to say? Oh, nothing? Oh, nothing. Okay. Not a single one of those fuckers gave me magic. Sticks out the ass, but that doesn't really help me. Can I do anything with these? Oh! the Goron voice is just really good to me. We're gonna get more hot spring water in a sec. I actually need like normal water. I'm running a little low. Oh yeah, you have to do something else to them for them to drop nuts, right? I mean, even then, I don't think. Do they drop? I don't know if they drop magic. Do they? I really don't know. I'm not certain about it. Here, I will be back momentarily. I don't know the drop tables. All good. I'll be back. Here's some little silly little clips. When I come back, more thawing out ice. Things that people in the US right now, especially in like the Midwest and up north, love thinking about while watching Twitch.tv. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Pizza pie. I don't know the actual words. Welcome back to the stream. My name is Aiden. My pronouns are they, them, and she, her. And we're playing a little Majora's Mask. We get a little freaky around here from time to time and play a Nintendo 64 video game. Thank you all for joining me on this eve. I just now realized I didn't mute the game nor my mic when I stood up, so disregard any slurs I might have yelled during the break. Gotta get them all out of my system somehow. I did notice earlier. I didn't think anything of it because I was like, oh, that I'm vaguely sleep deprived for the stream. Forgive me. I noticed the Willow emote that Jusette posted a minute ago. That's I haven't watched Willow in a bit. No real reason. Just haven't. I used to talk about her stream in passing every once in a while. God, excuse me. A few years ago. Because she's very much like a oh fuck, I didn't get the actual water. Son of a bitch! Get back in the hole. She's a very different flavor of variety streamer than I am in a way that I super respect and like a lot. What am I doing with this one once I get the water? Punch a wolf! Punch a wolf! Punching a wolf isn't what you have to do, I don't think, but it helped. I was about to say, do I go melt the child? Do I go melt the child? You're alive? But yeah, but Willow's very like a very, very big, like obviously like I'm a big fucking lesbian and I like to talk about it, but like it's not it's never really been like a big thing with the channel. Oh yeah, I can just fucking do that myself. Shit. Is there something frozen there? I don't even remember what the fuck to do next. Oh. But I think focusing like actual like queer discussion as an umbrella term is like a good thing to have a space for, and it's a space that I don't really think I cultivate, not because I don't want to, but just because it's never just really been like the focus. And I think having a thing where that's like a very outspoken thing that people can go in and be like, hey, anybody got advice about like this thing that would seem niche or would be otherwise possibly, depending on my scenario, like dangerous to look up, and like have a place to just fucking do that, I think is like awesome. And it's not to say we don't have queer discussion here. It's just that, like I said, it's never really been like the focus. But what really is pretty much that. Pretty much that if I had to summarize. Huh? Wait, you're queer? Hey! I said we've caught up. You're not gonna actually believe this. We've already caught up to where we were when the power was out. I just didn't get the big bomb back this time. Hi, Him.
Hey, how are you?
I'm okay. We're caught up to where we were last time the power went out. So.
Hi, chat. Hi, chat. You say hi back. So alone. my grandchildren won't talk to me anymore.
There we go. One said hi.
Thank you. Thank you for saying hello.
Is there like an outline thing on this? Because it's hard to see this fucking font. Oh, you can up it. You can up it. You can up it. Don't you?
I love it when it gets upped.
You can fucking.
Me when I'm upping it.
I'm upping that shit. The max you can do is 20. Does that look like ass? That actually looks pretty okay. I like don't hate that.
Up it to the max.
I fucking up it.
Up it. Twist it. Pull it. On dice. Try them in The Hague. Yeah, I love this new game. Taking the bold stance today that extrajudicial murder in the streets is bad, actually. Very controversial. Let's get all woke on everybody, but I think killing people can be bad sometimes.
That's so fucked up.
I know, I'm sorry. She canceled.
That's so fucked up. See, chat, we don't talk about queer issues here. We talk about whatever the fuck this is.
It's a queer issue. What if one of those ice agents had a little fruit in the tank, you know? Maybe one of them's a power bottom. You don't know their story. Representation matters.
I was gonna come here and be a racist thug, but I didn't know you were like kind of slay with it.
Yeah, did you notice one of those face masks was just a little too cunty? Like,
wait a minute, that guy. So what if they're like cargo pants on their like outfits pulls down and there's a cutie mark?
he acts like one of them, like while they're like pushing some old lady to the ground, like their shirt raises, you can see a Dolce & Gabbana belt buckle. Like,
a what?
a Dolce & Gabbana belt buckle.
It's case in point. I don't even know what the fuck that is. I guess I'm straight.
Dolce. No, you don't know Dolce & Gabbana, the fashion brand?
I'm poor, Ham.
Me too, girl, but fuck. Like, I don't know. Maybe they're wearing some really cute socks that they got from Uniqlo. We just can't see it under their military fatigue, so they're using the cosplay as bad boys.
Whoa, I just killed that bug with my ass. This game's good.
You just like listen to the recordings of the ICE protest, and you just hear somebody in the back like, "I said, get down!"
Wait, that wasn't one of the protesters. Which one? Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
I said, "Get down on the ground, not let's get down." Jeez, girl. All right. Do you like this bit where I'm doing like casual internalized homophobia?
Child, that was the ICE, but gay bit.
Yeah.
What did you think?
Yeah,
Leave
that's
it in
my
the
new-
comments on the VOD on YouTube.
That's my new streaming personality, the gay ICE agent.
Oh my god.
It's too late, Aiden. I've already commissioned the PNG.
Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh god.
It was already commissioned 30 minutes ago.
The Goron smash.
We should do a stream together where we do Ice Agent Smash Pass.
Sure. They're turning the ICE game. Imagine an ICE agent getting identified by their fashion brands. Like, yeah. They're like, wait a second.
This genocide
John?
sponsored by Gamersubs? Of course, they don't have the dang food that I need.
I need health. This beeping was driving me crazy.
Yeah, I hate it when I get hungry and then I just start beeping.
Yeah, this is a real problem. I do this all the time. Zoomers don't
It's
have
true,
this problem.
she's
They
always
patch it
doing
out
it.
later.
Yeah, it came with. It's because of all the microplastics that they have in them now.
We'll help beep it with the baby crying sound effects. Amazing combo. This is a great stream. This is wonderful. Should I double up on it? Should we also make baby noises again? Is that what you're saying, Julia?
I don't like that.
Well, Ham said no, so we can't.
I mean, I didn't say no. I just said I don't like it. I do things I don't. Okay, yeah, actually, I take it back.
See, Ham said no.
Mistakes were made.
Ham said no.
As we all know, everyone listens to me.
It's like playing Yoshi's
I'm
Island and
that
Zelda at the same
important.
time, but it's just Zelda. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm sorry. Okay, so being in the room with the screaming child is not the answer. Let's get out of here.
Yoshi's Island was such a good game.
I need to play it, actually. I played a bit of it, and I was like,
Yeah.
oh, this is actually good. I like this.
Yeah, it's really fun. Last time I played it, I was a kid, but like I remember having a blast.
I also came to the revelation one stream when we were playing Sonic Mania. I was like complaining about the ring mechanic, and I was like, they keep putting this in every fucking Sonic game because it's the thing you have to do because it's a Sonic game.
Mhm.
But I'm like, maybe, well, like, what is the like solution? Like, how do you make this mechanic better? They're not going to do it because like it's Sonic. And then I was like, oh my god, it's Yoshi's Island.
It's the ringamajig.
The ring, you need to keep one ring to not die mechanic in Sonic is just the Super Mario World 2 gimmick, but worse. Make Freedom Planet instead. Yeah, but that's just taking Sonic and shoving it up Mega Man X's ass, which is a good thing to do, just is not a solution
I
to
think
the
there's
mechanic.
I think there's a lot of stuff on AO3 about exactly that.
Yeah, people make great art out there.
You laugh like that.
Sorry, I'm chomping on chips. Everybody let me know if you can hear me chomping on fucking chip. I'm trying not to be loud and obnoxious about it.
I can hear them stored in your cheeks like chipmunks. Sorry. I don't. Don't ever make that noise in my ear again, Aiden. That was horrible.
What's Mega Man X about Freedom Planet? The ladders, I guess? It's like I don't know. It's got like plot. I don't fucking play video games, Sat.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
It's like the big dude's like Sigma. I don't fucking know. You shoot shit, I think, at one point.
Something about a fidget spinner.
Yeah, there's a fidget spinner like what Sigma uses.
This character's name is Sigma the Green Set.
Get this wolf.
Wait, the Sat play video games? Sat, do you play video games? It sounds fake.
Sat plays Sonic 06.
Why isn't Sat in the voice chat?
I don't know.
Sat in the chat. It's like my favorite Rocket 60s play.
It literally rhymes is the thing.
Yeah.
I started Freedom Planet recently for the 3rd time. Surely this time I finish it. I think I played like a demo once. It's like fine.
I do not Sat in chat. I do not like this fantasy.
Sat, what am I supposed to do with this fucking hot milk?
I think you'd like throw it in Donald Trump's face.
The left are attacking! My ass isn't strong enough to break this fucking boulder. I don't know what to do. Oh, this is maybe bombs? You see all the big snowballs down there? I gotta kill every snowball? Every single one?
That's what Hitler said right after he invaded Stalingrad.
Oh!
Well, he lost that one, so it's funny. That's the one where Hitler got his lunch money taken by a bunch of Russians sitting out in the cold with like bear hunting rifles or whatever.
Oh, you can punch them. You don't need the thing. Okay. Find the one hiding an old Goron and thaw his dumb ass. Okay. That must have been like right when the power went out last time I played this. But you need the water to thaw. Why is this Goron so fucking picky about the way I thaw him out?
Me when it's too cold.
Me when I don't have motor functions and I need the little elf boy to save me.
Yeah. Bring me that twink in the green hat. I require his assistance.
Just being fucking frozen, but like sentient to the point you can't move, but you also can like hear and see everything and just feel pain. And there's a kid just being like, and you need the hot water? Oh, frick.
And he's jumping around going, or whatever noise he makes in that game. Like I know he just makes a lot of horrible
Yeah, he goes,
yelping
frick,
noises.
fine.
He's actually Sammy Sonic 06 or whatever that kid's name was.
What the frick?
Well, now he's Chad Tronic.
What the frick? Do people still watch Chadtronic? That's gotta be a no, right?
Hey, okay, this is kind of embarrassing, but like, I still do watch his cursed commercials and stuff. And like, yeah, I know. Never meet your heroes, chat. Like, he hasn't uploaded in so long that I thought he actually did die. But like, apparently he's been working on a video game or something like that. So he's just not been doing the YouTube thing for a while. But like, I just remember being like, I haven't seen. This is how sad my life is. I haven't seen Chadtronic upload in a while. Maybe YouTube just hasn't shown it to me. Let me go check. It was like last upload 1 year ago, and I'm like, oh, did he die, or did he do something horrible and get canceled? So he just like gave up YouTube, like JonTron.
I was gonna say no. He's in like the fucking like Hidden Block Normal Boots clique. When you get canceled, you just keep making shit.
Yeah, I think JonTron like pivoted to doing like production or something like that. I don't know.
I mean, he
Like,
made
he
videos
still tried
after the fact. I don't know if he's still making videos
Yeah,
now because I don't watch him.
Yeah, I know he did like make videos for a little bit, but like they just probably weren't doing as well after Destiny. Imagine if okay, like I'm not the smartest or most politically savvy guy in the world. You can just go ahead and clip that and use it out of context because it'll probably be true anyway. But like, but like, if Destiny of all people fucking owned me publicly, like in a discussion or an argument we were having, I would kill myself. Like,
I would at least
can't-
run into a cave. I'd hide in a little cave probably.
Yeah, I would nuke all of my social media presence, and then just like I would wait a year before posting anything online, and if I did, it would be under a completely new branding. Like you would not fucking know it was me. That's bare minimum. Like
it's Mr.
like,
Steak Plier.
it's yeah, it's me, Justin Equation. I'll only do over the top, loud, and fake reactions to horror games, and then scream like.
What did chat say? Hitler insisted on invading Russia before having a mass-produced shredded vehicle for movie supplies. Everyone talks about the mistake of attacking Russia in winter, but there is a mud season both before and after winter, which means there are 2 times the year in Russia where wheels do not work.
Yeah. Germany was during World War II was very scientifically speaking fucking stupid. This includes weapons development in general. Like just the stuff that they were developing, they were not good at it. Like they were like, we're just gonna make these big scary tanks that actually can't run. Like they just kind of break down. And
awesome.
And that's even before they sent like the ones that did work to Russia. Like they just made these big, huge fuck off, actually useless weapons. Also, you might already know this, but and this isn't a joke. Again, this is not a bit that I'm doing. This is like the adversarial forces that were fighting the Germans would literally drop fake bodies with fake intelligence planted on them, like on like like around where German forces were, so they could trick the Germans into thinking that that's what was going to happen, like whatever they wrote down, and it worked. Like they were using Looney Tunes tactics to defeat the Germans in World War II, and it was working. Like these guys, they were not sending their best, they were not sending the brightest.
Oh my god.
Some of them were probably murderers. Like,
High androgynous water. Everyone play drums, ready?
Okay.
There we go. I play drums. Damn, look at him go!
Hell yeah. He's like a young Neil Peart.
I was just gonna say that's fucking not the trees.
YYZ.
I was gonna say Tom Sawyer. That's what I was thinking of. I was like, what's the one all the dads like?
Yeah. That or YYZ.
YYZ is yeah. Well, that's for British or Canadian dads.
I mean, it's Rush, so like, yeah.
They go, oh, sorry, I
But
gotta
also
go
that-
listen
that
to a
dr-
YYZ some more.
But also that drum section for YYZ is fucking sick. Like, it factually owns and fucks. Like,
I actually unironically like YYZ. That song's good.
That's the thing is like, I think a lot of the folks in Rush that are still alive became like conservative cucks
So
at
two
like
of
in
them?
old age. Yeah. Like just
So
like
the other
most-
two?
just like how in America. Yeah, like just like how in America, like if you were a hair metal guy in the 80s, you're now like you're just a Republican. Like it's basically the same thing. Like, but yeah, unfortunately, I do like a lot of the music. It does
To
go
my
hard.
knowledge, Getty and Alex aren't that bad. I mean, there's probably shit where they're like, oh, actually, I think border control is fucking awesome, and like I just haven't heard it, but
We should have our own ice. You like you like my Geddy Lee impression? I'm working on it.
You
I
have to
spent
leave a
tens of
big
seconds.
tent.
Oh my!
I think they're
stomach.
libertarians. Wait, what? Wait, are Rush
Yeah,
libertarians?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, that's basically what Tom Sawyer is about. It's about being libertarian. Like, if you really listen to the lyrics. I'm not kidding.
Getting a tattoo of the Gazda snake. I think they're libertarians.
Age of consent in all 50 states.
Chat, what am I doing? I've become thoroughly distracted by just the notion that Geddy Lee and Alex Lifeson might be libertarians. Thought I'm serious about
Geddy
scamming
Lee
your friends to
is.
paint the fence. That too.
Yeah, that too. and a big fucking bringer from Futurama. If you remember that episode of Futurama.
It is? Oh no! You learned the song to make the
What?
baby shut up. Oh, that's right. He told me that literally. Thank you. See, sometimes I'm just like sleep deprived. And that's fine. It's okay to be though.
Tip the beat.
The dawn of the second day fucked me.
Hi, Jimothy.
Jimothy.
Like screaming at me now that I've walked through the door.
All right, chat. We're gonna go to Baby Town one more time, but this time I'm gonna fuck everything up and not. There we go. And this time though is
That's what Trump used to say on Epstein's plane. I'm gonna go to Baby Town and we're gonna fuck it.
oh oh oh.
Ego. Oh.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
Oh.
I'm sorry, Chad. It's finally happened. I've turned Aiden into that one episode of Family Guy where Peter Griffin hits his shin.
Ah.
Trump's on Epstein's plane dressed like a clown. See, you guys are stupid. They're going to be looking for pedophiles.
What is it? A right left?
Esmeralda, come on.
It shut the fuck up. Yes. Oh, there was 2 more notes? Fuck me. I'm not gonna remember 2 more notes. Jesus Christ.
It's just like writing down.
Yeah, where's the fucking notepad mod?
You don't have... Come on, you're not that much younger than I am. You had to have had like a gamer journal type thing when you were a kid. It's like a marble notebook that you wrote everything in.
No, I didn't really do any of that, which I probably should have, but I didn't. And that's why I'm bad at puzzle games as an adult.
I had like Killer Instinct specials and Mortal Kombat fatalities in mine and stuff like that because I was normal.
I had some cheat codes for some games written down somewhere. I think I had the Rampage, like, Universal Tour shit. There were, like, codes for that. I had them written down somewhere.
Alrighty. I am going to let your stream go back to normal and annoy my animals for a little while. So have fun.
Yay! Thanks for
Bye,
coming on.
Bye, Eden. Bye, chat. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Anyway, let's get this chat back to normal, which is really funny because I'm wearing the normal album shirt. All right, I was getting pinged 5 million times during all that and was like freaking out. And I realized that like most of it is just a group chat I'm in. I'm fine. Anyway, that was Dr. Rehaminator. If you wanna follow Dr. Rehaminator, you can. That's the thing you can do. Anyway, let's go play some more fucking Zelda. Zelda Junior. Okay, so what the fuck do I have to do now? Did the baby tell me something to do? This place sucks so much ass. Everybody's like, oh, we're dying from the fucking baby screaming, and then the baby stops screaming, goes back to sleep, and everybody's like, yay! Oh fuck, we're dying of cold. People are surprised that the guy who could get them bricks of cocaine and sex workers was also running a child sex trafficking ring. Crazy, right? Crazy, right? How that works. Fucking wacky. The other son has finally quit crying. Now we can sleep too. Except we're dying of freezing to death. I gotta find a way to help these suckers. Can I help the guy outside? Is that like the main quest to do? There's a guy that's like on his own and freezing. On like a high elevated point. Like outside. What? Something about the torchlights in this room. I don't have fire. You people think I'm just a fucking mage? You know the food I hid in the chandelier up there, so please just die in peace. God damn, dude. Please stop haunting me. Have my salami. There's a lot of Deku sticks here. Is there one lit torch? Also, how the fuck, where's the food hidden? I don't know what this guy's talking. I don't know. I mean, I beat up a shit ton of them earlier, so I should have plenty of, I hear fire. I hear fire is the thing. Oh! Ah! There you fucking go. That's the shit you like to see. This game loves making you light torches. This game loves that shit. Guess I am a mage. I guess I can't do this shit. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Thank heavens. Ocarina of Time devs was like, you know what we didn't do enough of in the last game? A torchlight thing. I got 12 ways for Link to interact with the environment. I'm gonna use them. Nothing we can do. It's gotten so cold in the mountains, we just can't seem to get our hands on any of our food. In this rate, everyone will go hungry and die. I had an emergency supply of food in a way, so I'll be fine. Wow. Does this guy suck a little bit? I think this guy maybe sucks a little bit. Am I the asshole? Am I the asshole? If I think this guy's a bit of an asshole? Alright. So there's something to be done here then. Because there's a ramp leading up to it, right? So like that's got to be a thing. Up. Is it just arrows? Am I overthinking this? You saved me. To think that his crying could put out a torch. That's the Goron Elder's son for you. Screaming ass kid. Okay, so they just say the same shit. Bam, kids asleep. Bam, kids asleep. Does Tao know anything? Oh, maybe it's the, I don't think it's the mechanic from the dungeon. What am I doing wrong, chat? Wait a minute. Hold the fucking phone. There's a thing over there. Right? Am I losing it? I think it's just a texture. I think I'm losing it. No, there's definitely something there. Right? There's like a little booger on the wall. First thing you're doing around this isn't in any game. Now go secretly play a Nintendo game right now. Right fucking now. Okay, whatever that thing is, shooting with an arrow is not the solution. Maybe doing what I'm doing right now is not the solution. You better time launching off the ramp? Okay, so the ramp is the thing. So the ramp is the thing I'm supposed to be doing. What is the end goal? Am I just hitting one of the pots? Because frankly, I don't even fucking fully understand how to control this, I'll be completely honest. Yeah, go fast and break things. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so the thing is, it like doesn't work the way that I think it does, and it fucks me up. That or I just like ignore the control shit, so it's too busy making sex puns. It's one of the two. And I truly firmly believe it can't be the latter. Let's see. Okay. So like, okay, so if the running go and then bam. If I break all of them, things happen. Yes? So I just broke one for sure. I'm gonna go make things happen. Yeah, I'll have to go tell the ghost of Darmani that. Be like, hey, there's I know you're dead and everything, so you can't interact with them directly, but you got anything for IC? Yeah, they're like, that'd be great if you started out with just fucking like My dear friend Amanda knows how to save the village. You must tell everyone in town. They're just like, what? I'm not familiar with any Amanda Hug-a-Kiss. I don't like that it like spins out. It doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't fucking make sense to me. I don't know why. I like can't comprehend it. Like the ramp up is weird. Carpet's slippery. There's with and without spikes. Spikes is what you want to do. Building up into spikes though is such a fucking like endeavor. Charge up for all to get the spikes out, which you usually want. Yeah, but then like by the time you get up here, it's like, how the fuck am I doing that? I can't aim that. This is a conundrum. Oh, fuck me. That's what I thought, yeah. But then you can't see like where you're going, so I end up just ramping off and Dukes of Hazzarding it into nothingness. If you stand still and hold it, you can build up some speed with less distance. That's what I thought, but like, it doesn't really like do that. Because then by the time it's like there, it's like, you start back in the kids' room and you can't see shit. This area's terribly designed. Like, am I wrong? Like, yeah, like, that's kind of what I'm thinking, that like, it's not the most intuitive shit on the planet. Because I don't feel like I'm fucking timing up. I feel like this mechanic's been used like maybe once up to this point. See, like, and then there we go. And then by the time Zunard is bad, okay, so it's not me. Or rather, it's not just me. There are other factors to this. Like, I could be doing it better. There is skill involved. Oh, right, there's two. The fact that he uses up magic is actually what pisses me off. I don't think it would piss me off as bad if it didn't use magic. Like, you can basically fail this, and I think that's insane. It's best in Europe. Oh, okay, I see. I mean, Sad knows Zelda more than me, so. Oh, hello? I just walked into the wall for no reason? I wasn't trying to do that. I swear to you. Here we go. A lot of magic in this room because the devs knew people would fail. I hate shit like that. I hate when they were like, oh, here it is. Like, it's good. It's good that they make it to where you don't have to go back in and out to grind resources to do this. But it's also like, then why'd you make it like this in the first place? Like, why doesn't the chandelier just have one big dangling weight? You just gotta chop the fucking ball sack of the chandelier and that's it. Like, the rest of the fucking, like, sequencing of this part of the game works that way. And that's why this game is A tier and not S. and not quite S. What'd you put in the S tier? Link to the Past, I have to fucking assume. I don't recall. Just Link to the Past? Did you put all of them in S? It's gonna be so good if it were good. Yeah. Link's Awakening? An S? Oh. Wind Waker tracks. Twilight Princess I couldn't get behind, but I can, I watched you stream bits of that, I can see it. Breath of West. That's also fair. Tears of the Kingdom, that's also fair. I don't know about Link's Awakening. I don't know about that one. I tried to like the game so fucking hard. That's one of the ones where I really fucking tried and it just pisses me off too much. Wow. Kingdom of the Kingdom. I do like Kingdom of the Kingdom, I just didn't get very far in it. Breath of the Wild, I only played at people's houses every once in a while. Tears of the Kingdom, I didn't even really get stuck, like, in most of these games. I just fucking didn't care anymore. Link's Awakening is I got over the Game Boy annoyances thing for sure, but I also just love the weird story and vibes. Yeah, I guess the vibes just don't fucking save it for me. Oh my fucking god. I'm gonna go read my messages. Okay. All right. Okay. Here we go. So they're finally here. Perform for you. If you know the words, you can join in too. Put your hands together if you want to clap as we take you through this monkey rap. Who? DK. Donkey Kong, he's the leader of the bunch. If you know him well, he's finally back to kick some tail. He's cooking a gun. Fire and spurts if he shoots you. It's gonna hurt. He's bigger, faster, stronger too. He's the first member of the DK crew. It seemed to work. To chat's chagrin, that seemed to work. DK! Donkey Kong! DK! Donkey Kong is here! This Kong's got style, so listen up, dudes. She can shrink in size to suit her mood. Okay, that one's for Tiny. You sent the Joel Hover bit of the DK rap? Pretty sure. What's the message you're trying to send? This is like Linky sucks ass. What a Joel Haver. Bro's having Joel and shit. Having terrible luck with this. Okay, so it's not just me. It is very comforting to know that this like part of this is just me getting like having a timing based puzzle with like the big bulky fucker that has like a fighting game combo is fucking shenanigans. But the food's still up there. Well, I gotta get the food. Oh, yeah. See, I found the key. I figured out what to do, and I was a fool to not try it once more. DK, Donkey Kong, DK, Donkey Kong is here. Fucking, he's a big, stupid fuck. He's made of shit. This Kong is part of the bit. He's got a big long arms and he shoots grapes. He's the stupidest gimmick of all of the apes. Okay, that one didn't work because I didn't remember the lyrics. That's on me. He shoots grapes, right? Is that where I fucked up? DK, Donkey Kong, DK, Donkey Kong is here. He's back again, and about time too. And this time, he's in the mood. He's quick and nimble when he needs to be. That's Tiny Kong's lyrics. Fuck me. With his pistols out and his jetpack on, the internet says, expand dog. Ooh! He's in the mood, if you know what I mean. He's pulling up to the function. This Kong has overcome executive dysfunction. He's a powerful ape. He's a chimpanzee. He's struggling with his ADHD. This is shit. That's the lyric they cut. Originally, it didn't have the guitar, the guns, or nothing. It was just a bigger mental health statement. Like what is one to do? Like, what is one to do? Fucking beat that ass! Do I have to do it again? Wait, what even fell? Legitimately, where'd it go? It's just in a pit. Where the fuck did it go? Wait. That's how I do it every time. I just simply hit him. I just simply win. What am I supposed to do with that? Feed it to everyone? Feed it to the town folk like the fucking Grinch that stole Christmas? Dude, he doesn't punch any Nazis? Isn't that pretty much what Kremlins are? No, Kremlins are just little guys. They're just little freaks. Yeah, tell me where it goes. Tell me where this goes, because this doesn't make any sense to me. Like, why does this guy's meat fucking matter? Like, I get why it makes him an asshole, but I don't understand, like, what it has to do with me. Like, cool, I have his meat now. Do I kill him with it? Do I beat him over the head with it? And be like, hey, everybody, if push comes to shove, like, not saying cannibalism is, like, a good thing, because it's a traumatic and unhealthy experience for you all. But, here you go. If I can't fix this, back near the start of Snowhead. Oh, there's a frozen water girl with a cold guy who wants it. By the Smith house. Is that the guy I was talking about earlier, I think? Am I about to go get Snowhead? Where the fuck is the entrance to Snowhead? I don't have a map for this place because I'm fucking poor. Do you want to build a snowman? Is this Snowhead? Actually, what the fuck is this? What does it say? This game is well designed because it makes you experience the stages of grief with characters. This area, for example, evokes anger. Oh. Oh. I could build a I could build a nice healthy little meat man. Be like, this is what you wanted, right? Like, I've been up here for 5 days. So this guy, right? Duder over here? Duder? I give it to him? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Up here! I'm so sorry to bother you from such a high place, but I'm very hungry. I've gotten stuck here. It's a disgrace. Ow! This shit was fucking not thought out at all! Oh! I got over it. I'm coming down now. I can save everyone. I breathe fire. Why, if it isn't Darmani, you are alive? Yes, I see. That is the reason why you knew my favorite food. It must be. I found this frog and realized there wasn't enough meat, so I decided to just use it as a fucking hat, so I don't go to Goron Hell. You see. Excuse me. But anyway, yeah, that must have been why. That must have been why you knew my favorite food this whole time. Yeah, he doesn't know shit about your favorite food, brother. Oh, I almost forgot. Please accept this as a token of my gratitude. You got Don Guerro's mask. You look just like Don Guerro, conductor of the Frog Choir. Oh no. Oh no. Is that Herb Albert? Apparently, or Herb Albert? Herb Albert? Apparently. It was crafted so well that no one would even think twice if you were to direct the Frog Choir. I don't want to direct the Frog Choir. I don't want to do that shit. I hope that spring will come soon so that I can hear the frog's enthusiastic performance. Hope as I might, it's still cold. I'm going back to Goron Village. He was just warming up his vocals earlier. That's why I said, whoa. Is that Herb Albert? Is that Herb Albert? Me when I'm Herb Albert's family at the fucking Thanksgiving dinner? I don't listen to Herb Albert. I just know that song. It's a song we actually use it to bully Mia. That's actually really mean. Our cat will just sit there sometimes and we'll be like, hey, what do you think about this thing? And she'll just sit there and stare at it and not blink for like 2 straight minutes. And so we'll go. You had a weird phase where you listened to Herb Albert in high school? Interesting. What's the good word on Herb? On Herb Albert? In the Tijuana Brass. That's what it said on the thing. Yeah, that's all I know about him is that song. Oh. All right. I freed the silly man. A lot of instrumental horn songs. That sounds pretty cool. I'd probably fuck with that. Oh! What the fuck am I supposed to? What am I doing now? Chat, if you want to give advice every once in a while, if I seem stuck, that's fine. Me 2 hours later, chat, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. It doesn't say. Do I have to go back to town and do Frog Choir? You won? Okay. Well, bye, everybody. If you walk away, you don't hear me say, please, oh baby, don't go. Did you ever find Big Goron blowing big breaths? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The big Goron. The big Goron. The path by the owl statue. More things are. So use the song you learn to put things to sleep. So you're super to remember this game. Okay, so here's the owl. So up this way. Only Gorons fall asleep. Everyone else goes, ah, what the fuck? To some species, it's like a fucking Alani. It's like they just drink a fucking Celsius. This is ass. It is a Goron lullaby. I'm gonna listen to like songs made by like other people. and I enjoy them. I think other people in this fucking fantasy universe just suck. I think they're just like they're like, oh, is this like Goron metal? Come back down here. Come back down here. Triple dog fucking dare you, bitch. That's what I thought. Sometimes you just gotta waste an arrow to stun them. Well, let's go meet the breathing man. Whoa! This is fucking pathetic. I can't see shit. Honestly, when has the stream never not been noises? This is the real question. Hey, what if I was fucking built different? What if I didn't give a shit? Is that a Goron? that seems to be a not quite that. Oh. Whack. We can fly here now. It's invisible for reasons. I see. Good thing I somehow miraculously have like enough magic to deal with that. Assuming I need both those things. I need to go to the bathroom like weirdly bad. And I'm starting to get a headache. So I'm gonna go like take care of that. When I come back, we're gonna see what's going on with Snowhead and see if there truly is no head.
The relationship.
Okay.
And then some
A territory, it's territory. A territory, it's a territory. It's a territory. All right, chat, pop quiz. Territory. Question mark. Anyway, welcome back to the stream. For those that are tuning in, my name's Aiden. Those clips weren't just the whole stream. Sorry about it. We're playing Majora's Mask. It's my first like real playthrough. I've never gotten this far before. Last time we played this, the power went out.
What's that? There's something in the middle of the blizzard. Can't you see it?
No. Oh. Oh, you can't do anything about those. I thought you could. Well, Tattle, if you just say, can't you see it, and then don't actually point it out, it's kind of just a bitchy move. Oh. What the fuck? What the fuck? Somebody probably thinks this is really fucking hot. And if you're one of those people, good for you. Can't you see? Fairies can see stuff because they magic. What the shit? Oh, can't you see the Goron sneezing on me? What am I doing wrong? What's the trick to like... Oh, you don't have to be going that fast the whole time, do you? He needs to go to bed and rest his sleepy head. Every breath he takes, every fall I make, every rusted rake, every rotted cake would be better than this segment. High winds ahead, gusts and snow flurries may... Oh wait, hold on. Can I do this again? Reporting live back to you from Snowhead Temple. High winds ahead, gusts and snow flurries may blow careless travelers off the cliffs. And now back to Sheik for the actual weather. Thanks, Sheik. It's too fast. Okay, so you need to be fast when he's blowing. You gotta be fast when he's blowing. Oh! Oh! Bruh, what the fuck am I doing wrong? I'm gonna run out of magic and health. This last. Okay, and then I can't see shit. It's not great. So every time he blows, I just hit A. I can tell you're sleep deprived? Nah. Nah, it's fine. So like, but what this is doable, right? This is what I'm supposed to be doing. I genuinely don't know what the fuck, like, but what is... Yeah, the Goron's like yawning or whatever the fuck. This is the colossal honkshoe. You gotta be fucking kidding me. You can put him to sleep from here? I fucking... It wasn't that. I'm gonna fucking lose it. It made the bing bong. It made the bing bong. So I think you're right. Oh, it's right A. Fuck me. So Queens of the Stone Age song that almost sounds like that. Wait, he's gonna fall to his fucking death. No! Oh, thank God. No! Is he gonna be okay? No, 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 please! I'll go in after him. This is ass. Okay, so the reason that there's a big treacherous thing isn't for you to repeatedly beat your head into. It's so you do that and then you have to go do a thing. Oh, he's only gonna lose a quarter heart and then I'll respawn in a bit? Okay, that's fine. Wait, does it take me this long when I respawn? Also, why the fuck was he invisible? Well, if he's not blowing no more, then I can take this, like, not super quick. So that'd be fine. I'm gonna go up here. Okie doke. Oh! Goron! 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 He was invisible, so you'd have to get the lens of truth. Ah. I don't like these wolves. He was invisible because he's actually a nobody. If you walk away. You don't hear me say, oh! There's a lot of invisible stuff here because Lens of Truth. Huh? Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna get the fuck beaten out of me by dust bunnies. This is so ass. Simple and clean is the way that he falls to his death tonight. What you doing up there, bro? Oh! The snow in the Snow Temple is angry. Yeah, like what the fuck? What the fuck is this? Snow angry. The fuck is this snow place? The fuck is this, like Antarctica or other snowy region? Oh, it's a temple. Fuck me. I don't know if I have a temple in me. We're gonna try it. What is this? That's Majora's Mask. That's not the mask I currently have. Oh, my ass wasn't powerful enough. Excuse me. Wait, have we seen these before? These platforms? Genuine question. If we haven't, it's fine. I just like actually don't remember. We have not played this game in like a month and a half. There was one like this in the previous dungeon. I don't remember what it did. Is it just to teleport to you later if you need?
This is kind of big.
Oh, I just read this kind of big.
This is kind of big. It's gonna take more than average strength to move this thing.
Okay. I guess I have average strength. Fuck me. Where was golden? Teleports you to the boss room after the boss is killed. Oh, okay. Thank you. The combat in the Goron form is almost fun. It's almost fun. I don't think picking really like quick combat like enemies for this was like the best choice. I think fighting other big dudes would have been fun. Like in like you know like the Bentley parts in Spyro 3, like that was cool because those are big dudes that usually take a lot more effort for Spyro to fight. So then when Bentley's like, oh mate, I'll fucking get him, like then it's like, oh okay, cool, because now I'm also a big guy, so like I can fight the big guys with my big guy. You know what I mean? And this is just kind of like, you're a big guy. Here's a bunch of ticks that can kill you. It's not like a mortal sin. It's just something I was thinking about. Some places like this, you can curl up as a Goron and roll your way across. Why don't you try it? Why don't you just do everything then? Oh, what the? Oh, he's a Goron! Oh, yeah, you. He's a Goron. The power of lava doesn't fucking mean shit to him. It's like bathwater to him. He's like, oh. Actually, I guess, yeah, I mean, that's his primary language, so he just says that. Oh. Oh. I love Random Ring streams. I love when she just groans, and that's just the bit. Oh, what if I was goated? I wasn't, but like, what if? Speed Highway from Sonic Adventure 1? Or the Jellyfish Party song from SpongeBob SquarePants? I'm gonna leave it up to your interpretation. Making with Link sounds like Link to BH. They are, aren't they? We're not so different. We're not so different, everybody in this kingdom. I'm fucking like the King Goron from Ocarina. It's like, we're not so different, you and I. You occasionally say, ah! And I say, oh. Okay, so you gotta charge this one. You gotta charge the spin dash. That's what's happening here. King Sora should have been made into a CDI Zelda character. That's true. They should have done that. Did our Zed have fish people? Oh, look, my life. Wait a minute, what the fuck is that? That's one of those things that you can collect. I don't remember much about King Sora. He was like kind of cunty, right? Wasn't that like his whole thing? Because if so, I totally see where you're going with that. I think my control stick on this, after years of torment, is finally like shitting out a little bit. How are you supposed to? Yeah. Sits in one place and moving a few feet to the left takes him ages. Oh wait, no, he's the little fish guy, or well, I guess the big fish guy, but not like Jabu Jabu or whatever the fuck his name is. That's how people pronounce it, right? I always pronounce it Jabu Jabu, but I've seen people say it's Jabu Jabu, and if you say Jabu Jabu, you'll never see heaven. Awesome. Oh, good. It's the thing that does like 12 damage. And by 12, I mean 2, which to me is basically 12 damage because my controller stick is like fucking me up. Sometimes if you see me just walking off of edges like that, I think it's the control stick just fucking me. Almost every single control stick I have in this fucking apartment, for some reason, has an issue with me going like up and slightly left. Seem like that and weird to pronounce it. What are you talking about? Bonjo Bonjo? Okay. Just like, what do you mean? Everyone pronounces it Bonjo Bonjo. Unless I'm losing my fucking mind. I did not sleep super well last night. People pronounce it Jabu Jabu, right? I cannot figure out this fucking thing. It's a very serious game. His name is not pronounced like beating a drum. Jabu, 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 Jabu. I've got a feeling. I think to make a jump like that, you need Spikes Out. A Spikes Out story. What is it? The song played like a jingle with it. Well, that's just it, isn't it? If the Goron doesn't have the spikes out, then he's not gonna go across the ramp. Oh, Goku. That's like Arby's with the meats. Chat, forgive me. That's like Arby's with the meats. The emphasis on the ooh? Jabu Jabu? Jabu Jabu? Wait, emphasis on the U. Jabu Jabu. No! Emphasis on the U? Without emphasis on the U. So Jabu Jabu. That's how I used to pronounce it. Or that's how I pronounce it. That's how I usually pronounce it anyway. Someone look up the Hyrule Historian. The all-knowing fucking presence on everything Zelda. Oh! Yes! Thank Christ. Okay, can I shoot those things to get them? Or do you have to, like, touch them? I don't remember. Like it has been a while. Oh, okay, so that's not, you don't have invincibility frames or something when you fucking have the spikes on. You pop the balls with an arrow? Okay. Thank you. Come on, bitch. You can pop the bubbles with an arrow, but then I guess that's it. Because I don't want to kill the fairy. I want to upset the fairy mask. Shit. I don't even know what I don't even have that one. I got nothing. Look at this shit. I'm maskless. I got frog. I got frog, and that's about it. What fucking time is it? Oh, I still got time for dungeon. I've still got time for dungeon. We can do this. I'm looking at the real world clock. Like, can I do this? Let's explore. Let's explore. I like the dungeon layouts in this game more than Ocarina. But also, like, I've been very biased this entire playthrough. I like most things in this game more than what other than Ocarina, because I'm kind of an Ocarina hater. Pardon me. He looks so silly. He's a silly guy. There are only 4 dungeons in this game, but they're very well done. Hell yeah. I think there was some shit that I had grievance with the first dungeon, but I don't recall a whole lot about it. I think most of my grievances with the first dungeon were just like figuring out what to do and like getting there. The rest of it was like, oh, these are puzzles you can like figure out. Oops. Oh, there that goes. Who's at me? Who's coming at me? Who's adding me? Yeah, they really faked me out with the whole ice temple thing. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch, Steven. Here we go. Well, it looks like arrows are not the answer. What? You don't know about the red bubble? If it comes out, you can then a defensive decision to bounce it back. Got it? Got it? Okay. Oh. Tattle. Tattle. Ow. Proto Midna. I like Proto Midna. I like this game. When this game isn't actively pissing me off, I like this game. In that regard, it is currently, until further notice, on par with Link to the Past for me. And like, for those who aren't here all the time or are new here, that's saying a lot. I simply do not fuck with Zelda. I mean, once again, this game would be so good if it were good. Alright, so I came in through here. True, many pieces of media that would be so good if they were good. Yeah. Like, I'm trying... Oh, Billy Hatcher. I was like, I know there's a game that people have seen me stream on this channel where that's, like, pretty much the tagline of that game. I get to do Deku shit here? Yes! Yes! Not quite yet, though. I gotta figure out, something to get the ice away. I gotta remember that takes up fucking magic. I don't understand why the roll has to take up magic is the thing. Oh, well, the roll only takes up magic if it's charged, it seems. Right? That's the thing with it. So I think that's the thing with it. What else we got? What else can we do? Can't get in there. That's full of ice. All the TV shows are like a handful of actually good episodes, and a lot of that would be so good if they were good. That's what I like about Community, actually, is that, like, there's a lot of shit that super hasn't aged well, but, like, if you can, like, accept that just a lot of it is just fucking bad jokes that aren't good and aren't funny because they're just problematic and kind of mean-spirited, but some of them are, like, that's the point, is that it's not a good joke. Freezered. Don't tell me you don't know about the Freezered. Watch out for its icy breath. I hate the cold. Okay. We haven't gone this way. Almost everything Pierce does is there for the other characters to make 5 seconds of uncomfortable reactions to, pretty much. And honestly, like, his character is fine for that for the first 3 seasons. Like, season 2 and 3, Pierce is, like, actually an enjoyable character because he's a fucking worthless human being. Like, it's an interesting dynamic between the cast because they're not good people. And that's, like, a thing they set up more and more in season 2, and I really fucking like that. Like, how it's done is really nice. Because the thing that a lot of people don't realize, like, especially, like, shows that were after It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia came out and got big, is, like, problems with Larry David notwithstanding, he was cooking with the Seinfeld show. Like, and that's why It's Always Sunny takes so much inspiration from that shit. Like, because they've both mastered the formula of, the thing is, your characters still have to be, like, entertaining. They can't just be pieces of shit. Right? And Community nails that shit. Yeah, everyone in the study group, like, even the quote-unquote good ones, are still kind of shitty people. At the very least. But, like, and I mean, season 4 is, like, you know, it is what it is. But, like, I think where he leaves in season 3, that would have been a great place to just leave him off. And I know I'm not the only one that feels that way. Oh, like they even say it straight up in the show, like he is a lightning rod for all the fucking like bad shit that happens, and all like the criticism of them as a group as a whole. But like, so, yeah, a lot of it's just there to be shitty. But then later in season 4, like there's the whole tone of it is just that. Not the whole show, but like, yeah, but I think the main point I was going at was like, I like that season, like most of the show, if you like the rapid like humor like of what it does, and how some punchlines aren't gonna fucking fully kick in until like a few scenes in, or like 10 things of dialogue in, it's like you're gonna probably like most of the rest of the show until season 4, and then like if you can stomach season 4 enough or skip it, season 5 makes up for it a little bit, in my opinion. Abed gets in debt to the celebrity look-alike agency, and everyone has to help him out. His reaction is, "But you wanted to help me out," and he doesn't get away to accept them. Yeah, I really like that. I really like that episode. That is a funny episode. French Stewart's really fucking good in it. I've said this multiple times, and chat's like probably like, Aiden, nobody's watching that fucking show. That line is improvised. Not Abed's line. That I think was in the script. But fucking the fucking French Stewart being like, that's how we all get started in this business until the gold mine resembling French Stewart runs dry. That was not written. He fell on that fucking sword, which is like clutch as fuck. Kind of hard for me to admit that Abed has never done anything wrong because like I relate to him a lot. Yeah, no, French Stewart just fucking said that shit. It's beautiful. Yeah, no, that's a great fucking episode. God damn, I surpassed this already, and then I fucked up, and the game is punishing me for for failing. Okay, I'll dare it. And Abed was written purposefully as kind of a like an umbrella for a lot of like mental health issues and shit, which is why it hurts to see certain jokes that like haven't aged super well. Like a lot of the jokes in season 1 that are at Abed's expense are But like I like that the show is like rapid fire, just like shit, and it's like if you get into it in the first like fucking season, it does get better. Because even the first season's not the worst. We're getting a therapist who just enables him and gives him drugs that was also it's like of course that would fucking happen to him. Like of course that would fucking happen to him. Let me check out this room. See what I'm missing in this room. Because they kind of panned up at it. I'm assuming that's just to show me there is an upper floor. Actually, in which case... Well, oh, we've been to the lower floor because we went downstairs. Anyway, yeah, everybody watch Community by means you deem necessary. But like that's like a rare example of a show I would say is like the only reason it's not the show would be great if it was great is because there's a bunch of shit that just hasn't fucking aged well. What's surrounding that I think is fine. There may be a mechanic you're unaware of in here. Okay. Is this something I just haven't discovered yet, or is it something I probably discovered and like forgot? Okay, so this room. Is it invisible? Oh, you said not aware of. You needed an Ocarina of Time. You needed an Ocarina of Time. Mechanic, you needed an Ocarina of Time. Do these ice things break from arrows? Thank you, Quotbot. flaming arrows. Oh, hold up. Like in the last dungeon. Can't do that as a Goron. There we go. Come on, control stick, don't fail me now. You cannot do what I was thinking. Okay. They like the shoot an arrow through torch mechanic so much that they used it again in this one. Okay, so I'm on the right track. So I'm on the right track then, is what you're telling me. Is what you're telling me. So in which case, okay. Well, so that one didn't work though. Am I just at a bad angle? Or are these flames like not strong enough or like, oh no, there we go. No, it was just jank. He doesn't like getting his tail whacked, Link. Yeah, but he doesn't like getting his fucking chest stabbed either. Yeah, it was just the angle, I guess. I don't know. Oh, whatever. Oh, whatever, wolf. Oh, whatever. Oh, fuck. Oh, I left myself wide open. The sword cheese? Yes, please. By all means. I'm a firm believer in cheese. Doesn't Ocarina of Time? I don't recall then. It's been a long time since I've played Ocarina of Time in earnest. With like the actual intent of like beating it. Crouch stab does the damage of your last attack. Oh. Weird. Alright, good to know. Thank you. Strange. Oh, this is the beginning of the fucking dungeon. Wait, how do we back up the... I don't have a key. You don't have a key! If you jump slash then crouch stab, it does way more damage. Interesting. Okay. Oh, okay. I mean, that doesn't sound particularly hard to pull off either, is the thing, so that's nice. I'll have to keep that in mind if I can. Fucking... It's easy. Alright, let's see, what else can I fucking torch shoot? I don't think there's anything that I can do right now. Well, now that I know what's kind of going on, let's go elsewhere and see what's happening and crapping. Color-coded doors, gaudy. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I can pull this. This isn't a squeaker. This is just the thing you can do. What's in here, though? I would like to know. See? Oh. Is there anything else to do with that? Oh, well, you know what? I bet. Is it better to have this here? I think it's better to have it over there. I'm speculating. Okay. Aw. Okay, so we got the key. Don't think there's anything else in there. Nah, nothing. Okay, so that's like orangish. Wanna watch Community again? It's actually been a bit. I usually watch it like once a year. At the very least. Sometimes if I'm depressed enough, I watch more. I don't think I saw all the last season. I have such a fucking love-hate, mostly hate relationship with season 6. I would say if you consider yourself in any regard, even begrudgingly, a fan of Community, I would say watch season 6 at least once. I think as a finalization of the serialization of the show, it functions. To say that it's perfect would be a complete lie. To say that it's even as good as seasons 1, 2, 3, or even 5 would also be a lie. But I would still say that if you're a big enough fan of the show that you should watch season 6. Oh fuck! Well, you gotta put the sword out if you want to do sword attacks. How do I crouch? Nope. Oh shit. Wait, ah shit. Now I'm fucking it up. Okay, and then shit. Okay. What? Where'd you come from? God damn. I'm not good at the combat in this game. Do you watch a lot of Star Trek? Oh, cool. I watched like 2 seasons of TOS. I've heard Deep Space Nine is very good. I haven't seen really any of it. I watched a little bit of I watched mostly Next Generation and TOS. Mostly TOS. I've mostly watched TOS. I've seen none of Voyager. Oh, Voyager is also be so good if it were good. Love that for it. Yeah, I've heard Deep Space Nine is really good and decently gay. Next Generation is good from what I've seen. It's a lot of well-deserved praise. Hell yup. Well, by golly, they put a bomb wall in here. Ah! Wow. Bitch! No one invited you. Yeah, you. Oh, son of a bitch. Gotta start getting more of the optional masks. I have been playing very much just pretty much, oh, here's what you do. We got the big bomb bag, and that's like one of the most optional things I did. Let's Link explode. Ooh, fun. Is this guy okay? Bitch. There we go. It's like a free bomb, except it goes off in Link's face. I think I've seen what you're talking about. Yeah, I like that this game just has a bunch of fucking goofy-ass shit in it. It's nice. I like it when things have goofy-ass things in them. Oh, Kate, oh God, my fucking wife just sent me 10-layer carrot cake or 12-layer chocolate skyscraper cake. Neither. That's so much fucking cake. She still protects Link from the blast somehow. Yeah, I don't know. If it's your explosion, it doesn't hurt. You just fucking headbutted an icicle. That one you did not tank, unfortunately. Well, I mean, I guess you did. Just it did damage. So I don't have fire in here right now. I'm sure that's a thing I'm supposed to be remedying after the fact. I need another key, don't I? Yeah. Okay. Oh, what's going on over here? Snowball? Snowball? Okay, cool. And then up, oh, I can't do uppies. Can the Goron do uppies? Because I'm a little taller? Despite that being in arm's reach, the Goron cannot do uppies. So that's just something I gotta deal with. We'll come back in here, I guess. Sorry, I'm pausing every once in a while because I'm either like DMing my wife or eating. Okay. If I can get up there, which I think is... Oh, but I can't get up there because of that. I fucking see. Okay, so there's not a whole lot here specifically we can do yet. Damn, if you can hit him with that, that was fucking... no contest. Wait, so then why did it make me go in here if I can't do all this shit yet? What's like a conundrum? Are the icicles like a hinge? You're gonna, I'm like, he's gonna fucking put me in the ice. Yeah, maybe if I can like... Well, that wouldn't really do anything to other ice. That's just more ice. It's gonna make me cold. No, thank you. Ow! Damn. Red door. Oh no, the sun is fucking peering into my window right now. I'm fucking dying. That is the brightest sun I have ever seen. I'm kind of getting sick of killing this wolf over and over again. I don't know if we're gonna finish this dungeon in time. Because last time we played this, the power went out, right? So if I have to do this shit again, I'll frickin' lose it. Is the main thing. Okay. So light blue door hasn't really been serving us a whole lot. Dark blue door is where we started. And I have to do this fucking bullshit again. And save any time. That's true. I guess, yeah, you don't have to save and fucking you can just save and quit whenever. I would feel silly though coming back to the like end of the final day. Do you have to reset in this one? If you have an owl statue, if you have one of the like eagle statue thingies, you can save and quit from there. Otherwise, yeah, you gotta start from the beginning, I'm pretty sure. Which is fine, because we've done a lot. And we won't have to do most of it again next time, because we can just fly here next time. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. I'll keep fiddling around and see if I can figure out. But yeah, I think I don't know if we're gonna do this dungeon today. But you know, we got way farther than we would have last time when the power went out, and we did all the shit that we did before the power went out last time. So yeah, all in all, successful fucking journey through the Majora Mask. I would say. I'm kind of like, it's not even necessarily that I'm like super running out of steam as much as it's just like I'm kind of, I think I'm dungeoned out. I think I'm just dungeoned out for the most part. I don't think there's anywhere I haven't been. I mean, there has to be, though. I'm not fighting this fucking dog again. Unless I can... If there's a very specific angle I can do this shit at, which I highly... not the beans! Like... Yeah... I don't think that's a thing you can do. Y'all, I don't think that's a thing you can do. Okay. Okay, so to refresh my memory, red door gives me wings. Red door puts me over there. Orange door puts me back here. Or does this thing reset every time? Well, shit. Oh, that's what I'm saying. Like, I know we already moved this thing. I don't think I left the dungeon. So I guess it just resets. Okay, so it doesn't really do anything other than make a silly little visual effect. Oops. Maybe I have to... Because sometimes Zelda things are just like, oh, move this into this place, and then this thing happens. Son of a bitch. Son of a fucking bitch. If I had moved it like one pixel over, it would have been fine. Never mind, I still can't get up there. It's just the Goron? Can the Goron not do it? Or like, what the fuck is the deal? Like, hello? Oh, that's what I'm saying. Okay, so I can do that and activate that. I'm assuming then, so when I come back the other way later, that means I can jump across and get the chest. I'm making a lot of assumptions here. I might have to do that all over again anyway when I fucking... Here, let's see if it resets or not. Nope, you can still get it. Good, perfect. That's all I needed to fucking know. Checking my messages, checking my messages. Arm. So we're what, halfway through the final day? I think that says. Thinking noises. We didn't figure out anything with these buttons yet. Let's go down. Because there's clearly something I've missed. Oh, fun. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I tried to stomp this thing and it didn't really do anything. Yeah. Oh, and then we're back here. But again, I don't think that really does anything for me. 'Cause that's still ice. There's not a torch in here from what I can see to break the ice with. And there's a door in between here and where the nearest torch is. So I have to assume that I can't fucking, actually, wait. Yeah, because I don't think I don't think I've seen the top part of this room yet. So I don't think I can just bring a lit torch in. Unfortunately. Or at least not yet. Nor hot spring water, for that matter. See, I don't know. I'm kind of stumped. I think I might just fucking. I might call it there. And then like maybe I'll keep streaming. Maybe I'll play like a little Balatro or something. And then end stream. I think that sounds about right. Okie doke. Sorry I couldn't figure it out, fam. Let's see. Sonata Awakening goes Song of Time. I'm assuming Song of Time is what I want. Cool. Okie doke. Well, that was Majora's Mask Part 4. We caught up to where we were. We far surpassed it, is the thing. I didn't really have a whole lot of rupees or anything in the process of that anyway. So, like, doing that all again won't be the worst. Yeah, that's a fine place to stop that for the day. I'm gonna keep streaming though. I'm gonna switch to Balatro, I think, for a little. Practice up for Dorky World 4. Yeah, that was Majora's Mask. I still like it. I still like it. It's fine. We'll keep going with it. For a while. If you all aren't in the server, by the way, I know I posted this. Oh, actually, it's pinned right now as well. If you type in / Discord at any time, you can get the Discord link, and you can join the Dork Congregation, which is not a cult. And if you do that, you can join Dorky World 4, which is the async Archipelago randomizer that we're doing soon. So if you fuck with that, I'm gonna join. That's a thing I encourage. all of chat to do. Even if you just put in like one little seed, just so you can play along with the main cast and crew. Like that's a cool thing you could just like fucking do. Here, let me update the stream category here. Anyway, we'll just play a little. We'll just chill out with a little Blotro for a little bit.